컨디션이 안 좋아 보이는 이 여자. 계산을 하려는데 어딘가 이상하다. 그리고 이 남자도 상태가 심각해 보이는데 지친 몸을 이끌고 집에 왔지만 상태는 더욱더 악화되고, 그리고 영국에서도 이 여자의 상태가 안 좋아 보이는데 결국 홍콩 출장에서 돌아온 베스. 비행기 안의 남자도 상태가 안 좋아 보이고, 이 남자 또한 쓰러집니다. 그리고 이 남자도 샌프란시스코의 어느 방송사. 프리랜서 기자인 앨런은 특종을 제안하지만
Fish is shipped all over the world from there.
You know, Alan, we have almost no freelance budget anymore, and
예산이 없다는 핑계로 거절당합니다.
This story runs in the Chronicle. I will sue your ass.
Great. Okay, bye, Alan. Don't call me anymore.
Print media is dying, Lorraine. It's dying. I'll save you a seat on the bus.
한편 베스의 남편 미치는 아들을 데리러 옵니다.
I'm Mitch Emhoff. I'm Clark's stepdad. Clark Morrow.
하지만 아들의 상태도 안 좋아 보였죠.
I took his temperature again since I called. It was just a touch over 100.
그리고 다음 날
Jory's going straight from the band trip to her mom's place. My job interview got pushed to next week.
베스의 상태가 더욱더 심각해집니다.
What happened? Did you take too much of that flu shot? Running? Oh, Beth. Hey. Yes, Beth.
Can you hear me?
Sir, you have to go.
Let's get a line in her and give me 2 milligrams of Ativan, please.
결국
Unfortunately, she did die.
베스는 죽게 되는데
You mentioned that she was away, Hong Kong. We checked the latest bulletins. The only things there were measles and H1N1, and this was not that.
현재 돌고 있는 바이러스가 아니라 성병일 수도 있다고 말합니다.
Herpes can cause encephalitis.
She didn't have herpes. What are you talking about? What happened to her? What happened to her?
Okay. Now I am sorry.
아내의 죽음도 잠시.
Hello?
He said he had a headache, so I put him to bed and I think he's breathing.
Clark?
Oh my god, is he dead?
아들마저 잃게 됩니다. 바이러스 발생 5일차. 발병 원인 조사를 위해 WHO에 오게 된 오란테스 박사.
We are hearing from Beijing that the outbreak is contained to the Chrysanthemum complex in Hong Kong. 2 deaths and 10 suspected cases.
How are we defining contained?
They're using the same protocols established for SARS. They're quarantining the complex and screening for symptoms.
Kowloon is the most densely populated area in the world. It's going to spread.
그리고 베스와 바람을 피던 닐까지 죽게 됩니다.
I got sick this morning.
베스의 시신을 부검하고 역학조사관 에린 미어스는 치버 박사를 찾아옵니다.
What's your single overriding communications objective?
We're isolating the sick and quarantining those who we believe were exposed.
Okay, good.
치버는 미어스를 감염 현장으로 파견합니다. 아빠의 격리 소식을 들은 조리는 아빠를 찾아갑니다.
Are you sick?
No. This is all just, a precaution. Just making sure.
Clark?
I wasn't there. I went in the ambulance with Beth.
I should have been there. I could have helped.
No, honey, no. You're here now, I'm happy about that.
한편 미어스 박사는 발병 원인이 접촉에 있다고 말합니다.
Average person touches their face 2,000 or 3,000 times a day. The R naught. R stands for the reproductive rate of the virus. 72 hours, we'll know what it is.
As of this morning, 87 cases, 15 deaths.
We tested all of her antibodies. I didn't see much cross-reactivity. Her body had no idea what to do with it. It just kept amplifying.
Send it to Sussman in San Francisco. If he doesn't know what it is, nobody does.
Shows novel characteristics and appears to be chimeric in origin.
그때 기다리고 있던 앨런이 다가옵니다.
Typical of a paramyxa virus,
Godzilla,
potentially a
King Kong,
mutant on.
all in
Hold
one.
on, shit. I'll call you back.
And you've got it in there, haven't you?
Oh, really? Look,
Where'd it
get
come
away
from?
from here, Alan.
Military,
You're not a
industrial,
doctor and you're
genetically
not a
modified
writer.
organism. Yes, I am a writer.
Blogging is not writing. It's graffiti with punctuation.
발병 7일차.
Dr. Cheever?
Yes.
My name is Dennis French with the Department of Homeland Security. Today we've got workers at Casino Macau striking over conditions. 3 have died in one bunkhouse. CIA thinks there may be a connection.
Casinos are of particular concern to Homeland Security.
In response to the recent outbreak of a still unknown disease that has so far taken the life of a school nurse and 3 students.
보건당국은 이 질병이 베스와 그의 아들 클라크의 죽음과 관련이 있다고 추측합니다.
And her 6-year-old son this holiday weekend.
I'm Dr. Mears. I'm an epidemic intelligence service officer, and I'm here from Atlanta to find out what happened to Beth Emhoff. Is there anyone else who might have had contact with?
Barnesy worked on another floor.
There were documents she needed to sign. He picked her up from the airport. Yes.
This is Dr. Mears from the Centers for Disease Control. I believe you may have had contact with Beth Emhoff last week. Where are you right now?
I'm on the bus heading to work.
I'd like you to get off immediately. Listen, it's quite possible you come in contact with an infectious disease and that you're highly contagious. Do you understand? Don't talk to anyone. Don't touch anyone. That's the most important thing. We'll send somebody to meet the bus.
Okay.
만지면 안 되는데. 미어스는 미치를 찾아가 베스에 관해 물어봅니다.
Before we were married, my wife had a relationship with a man in Chicago named John Neal.
We've sequenced the virus and determined its origin, and we've, somewhere in the world, the wrong pig met up with the wrong bat.
So we have a novel virus with a mortality rate in the low 20s, no treatment protocol, and no vaccine at this time.
10원은 안전을 고려해 생물 안전 4등급의 조치를 명령합니다.
From here on out, I want no one working on this except the BSL-4. The last thing we need is for this thing to walk out of the lab on the bottom of someone's shoe.
Dr. Sussman's office.
We need to shut you down. This thing's too hot. BSL-4 only at this point.
I think that's a mistake.
Cook your samples, destroy everything.
You limit this to government-run BSL-4s. It'll take forever. I can do this.
I'm sorry.
발병 8일차. 10원은 현재의 상황을 브리핑합니다.
Are you concerned that the CDC faces a credibility issue here after the perceived overreaction to H1N1?
I'd rather the news story be that we overreacted and that many people lost their lives because we didn't do enough. That's why we're here today.
WHO에서는 최초 발생지를 찾아내 감염 경로를 밝히기 위해 오란테스 박사를 홍콩으로 파견합니다.
We believe that there are approximately 89,000 cases at this point and that we are heading toward 267,000. And from there, using our model based on an R-naught of 2, here is where we expect to be in 48 hours.
점점 악화되는 상황 속에서 바이러스 배양에 성공하지 못하는데
As of right now, no one has found a good way to grow the virus in cells.
Why is that? Because it kills every cell we put it in. A pig, chicken, everything. Until we can grow it, and a great deal of it, we can't experiment with it. And until then, we can't vaccinate against it.
상부의 지시를 어기는 서스만.
I'll do that and then I just want to recheck some data.
Tried antibodies.
결국 바이러스 배양에 성공합니다.
He grew it in a BSL-3. Allie, what the hell is he doing working with it in a BSL-3?
Ignoring me.
Officials at the CDC cautioned that the breakthrough is only the first step toward developing a vaccine, which is likely still months away from human trials. The WHO estimates the number of people infected worldwide to be over 8 million.
So this is where we need your expertise. All the pharmaceutical stocks are already through the roof.
But what's next? Where's the opportunity? You saw that Shinko bus thing day one. That's why we wanted this meeting.
When I turned on my computer this morning, I had over 2 million unique visitors all looking for the truth. You think they want to see me talking to some hedge fund guy?
You tell me what it costs to look into your crystal ball.
개나리꽃을 바이러스의 치료제라고 말하는 앨런.
You're familiar with Forsythia?
What does Forsythia do?
It's the cure.
If I'm immune, can't you use my blood to cure this?
Blood serums can take a long time to make and are very expensive.
몇 개의 검사를 받은 미치는 바이러스 면역 판정을 받게 됩니다.
Okay, we'll put the airlock here. I want 25 rows, 10 beds apiece. The most febrile cases at this end. And we'll need to be operational within the next 24 to 48 hours.
Gotcha.
Excuse me, Dr. Mears. Is this coming out of your budget or ours?
How are you doing?
I'm fine.
I've seen a lot of shit. If you're not doing fine, you can tell me.
You ever have to tell a man who just lost his wife and stepson that his wife was cheating on him before she died?
그 시각 장본인 미치는 뉴스를 보고 있는데 딸의 남자친구가 찾아옵니다.
Don't open the door. Don't open the door.
It's Andrew.
Sorry, Andrew. I can't let you in.
혹시나 딸이 감염될까봐 어쩔 수 없는 선택이었죠.
I understand. Thank you. But I can't let you in.
발병 14일 미어스에게도 바이러스 증상이 나타납니다.
This is Dr. Aaron Mears in room 821. I need you to get me the names of everyone who serviced this room in the last 24 hours.
Mears?
Dr. Cheever, I think I'm sick.
I'll call the people at the health department. I'll tell them that you're there, Aaron.
I'm sorry I couldn't finish.
That's never mind that. Look, let me see what I can do by getting you back here. I'm going to get you home if I can.
Thank you.
Healthy. You hang in there.
Bye.
I checked the flights and I can actually get an earlier flight that would give me a 5-hour layover in Chicago. So let me know if that's something that you'd like me to do. Thank you very much. Thank you. Excuse me. Oh my God.
Emhoff gave it to the Ukrainian.
오란테스는 역학조사를 통해서 첫 번째 감염 경로를 찾아냅니다.
That's him, with Emhoff, 1208. It came from here. Emhoff is the indexed patient. We need to know everywhere she went before the casino. I want to see her itinerary again.
They say the French and Americans have a cure. They're manufacturing it in secret. WHO knows, but they're in bed with the Americans.
Who says?
The internet.
The internet. And you believe it. How's your mother?
We tried Forsythia, but she wasn't strong. There's a mass grave in Lantau.
I'm sorry. I'm taking this to the ministry. I need to send this to Geneva.
그런데 어디론가 전화를 거는 이 남자.
我宣布要做就而家喐手。
What are you doing?
오란테스를 어디론가 데려가는 남자들. 그들이 도착한 곳은 어느 외진 마을.
We'll have to cure each other. At the end of the line, this is what is left of my village. You're gonna get us to the front of the line.
백신이 나올 때까지 오란테스를 잡아두고 백신과 오란테스를 맞바꾸려는 남자.
It's hard right now just to know where's the right place.
You're asking me to spend a lot of resources on one person, and right now, I can't do that.
미어스를 데려오려고 노력하는 치버.
That's why we have a plane with an isolation pod to bring our people in the field home when they're sick, right? What's going on, Lyle?
There's a sick congressman from Illinois in D.C. They're using the pod to fly him home, then they're closing down Midway and O'Hare. The governor there is calling out the National Guard. They're setting up roadblocks. When the word goes out, there will be a run on the banks, gas stations, grocery stores, you name it.
People will panic. The virus will be the least of our worries. It will tip over now.
We just need to make sure that nobody knows.
This is Forsythia. I've been taking it since the onset. The symptoms.
앨런은 가짜 영상을 제작해 개나리 액이 효과가 있는 것처럼 자신의 블로그에 올립니다.
If I'm here tomorrow, your night works.
I want you to get in your car and I want you to drive down here to Atlanta right now. You hear me, Aubrey?
시카고의 폐쇄 소식을 들은 치버는 약혼녀에게 몰래 알려주지만
You do it now. Don't tell anyone and don't stop and stay away from other people. You understand? Keep your distance from other people. Now call me when you're on the road, Aubrey.
건물 청소부에게 들키고 맙니다.
Roger. Did you hear?
I got people too, Dr. Cheever. We all do.
치버의 말을 듣고 떠나기 전 물건을 사러 온 약혼녀.
Hello.
Hey, friend. What's up with blowing up dinner?
그러다가 치버와의 약속을 어기게 되는데
I'm gonna tell you something, and you're not gonna repeat it.
한편 앨런의 가짜 영상에 속아 개나리 액을 사러 온 사람들.
Cover your mouth, please.
Fuck off, lady.
We'll only be able to give out 50 doses today.
일정량만 판다는 말에 사람들은 난폭해집니다.
Excuse me, there's a line here. Excuse me.
그리고 그 모습을 구경하는 앨런. 미치와 조리도 물건을 구하러 오는데 감염자와 마주칩니다.
Jory, don't touch anything.
Help me.
Okay, take your gloves off. Here, give me your hands. You really rub this in.
시카고를 벗어나려 하지만
Back in your car, sir. Order is sealed. The governor has declared a quarantine. No, we don't want to go back there. We want to go across. Get back in your car or I will detain you. Get in the car.
What happened?
한편 앨런은 폐허가 된 도시에서 허위 전단지를 돌립니다. 그러다 자신의 집 앞에서 감염이 된 지인을 만나게 되죠.
What are you doing here?
I can't find any in the stores. I tried it.
Look, I don't have any here. People broke in.
I can give you some money.
Lorraine, you shouldn't be out. Go home. I'll bring it to you when I get it.
그 시각
The heat. Can we turn that up?
I'll find out.
미어스는 마지막 힘을 짜내 자신의 코트를 건네주면서 죽게 됩니다. 그리고 치버와 앨런은 TV 토론에서 만나게 됩니다.
There are therapies we know are effective right now, like forsythia, and they don't even appear on the CDC website.
치버는 앨런의 주장이 의학적 근거가 없음을 지적합니다.
Right now, there's no science to back any of these claims.
Or no way Dr. Cheever or the people who put him into power can profit from.
In order to get scared, all you have to do is come in contact with a rumor or the television or the internet. I think what Mr. Crumwoody is spreading is far more dangerous than the disease.
Oh, really?
Yes.
That's funny.
What's funny?
No, I think you're funny, because if you check on Facebook, you'll find a communique attributed to Dr. Cheever by Elizabeth Nygaard about the quarantine of Chicago, hours before it was announced to the public. That's why I think he's a bit disingenuous when he says equal care for all and not just his friends.
I'm not aware of anything attributed to me on any social
I'm
network,
sure you're not.
Facebook,
It is
Twitter.
there. Tell them what an Arnold of 2 really means, Dr. Cheever. Teach them some math. No? I'll do it. On day 1, there were 2 people with it, and then there were 4, and then it was 16, and you think you've got it in front of you. But next it's 256, and then it's 65,000, and it's behind you and above you and all around you. In 30 steps, it's 1 billion sick. And that's where we're headed. And that's why you won't even tell us the number of the dead. But you'll tell your friends when to get out of Chicago before anyone else has a chance.
이렇게 궁지에 몰린 치버 박사.
They're looking for a scapegoat. He just made it easy.
The only reason we're not taking this to the Attorney General is because we can't replace you right now, but there's going to be an investigation. Do you understand that?
발병 21일차.
Where did you come from?
바이러스의 변종이 발견됩니다.
The Durban cluster is highly divergent. We have a new R0, Ellis. It's not 2 anymore.
With the new mutation, we are predicting an R0 no less than 4. Without a vaccine, we can anticipate that approximately 1 in 12 people on the planet will contract the disease.
As the death toll in the United States is now believed to have reached 2.5 million.
발병 29일차.
Hey, Mark.
이웃의 집을 뒤지는 미치. 그러다 득템? 집에 왔지만 조리는 보이지 않고 밖에 있는 발자국을 발견합니다. 근데 뭐 하는 거지?
I can't feel my hands. I messed up my snow angel.
If neither of us have it, then we can't give it to each other.
그때
Get away from me.
Dad!
Get away!
What are you doing?
Stay there! Go home, Andrew! Get up.
한편 엘리는 시범적 백신을 자신에게 주사해 임상시험을 합니다. 정식 절차를 밟으면 수개월이나 걸리기 때문에 자신의 몸으로 테스트한 것이죠. 그리고 아빠를 찾아옵니다.
What are you doing?
It's okay, Dad.
No, it's not okay.
Do you remember Dr. Barry Marshall thought that bacteria caused ulcers, not stress? Gave himself the bug and then cured himself? You taught me about him. I'm testing my vaccine.
This is different. I don't want to get you sick. Ellie, you can't take that.
You're here because you stayed in your practice treating sick people after everyone else went home. You took that chance. You took that chance every day.
He won a Nobel Prize.
Yes, I know, Dad.
Barry Marshall.
그렇게 아빠에게도 미완성 백신을 투여합니다.
The Food and Drug Administration is accelerating approval of the MEV-1 vaccine currently in production at 5 secret locations in the U.S. and Europe, saying the first doses could be available for human use within 90 days. The WHO estimates that it could take nearly a year to manufacture and distribute the necessary amount of the vaccine to stop the spread of the virus, which so far has taken over 26 million lives worldwide. But as labs work around the clock to produce the life-saving formula, the question remains, who gets it first?
발병 131일차. 치버 박사의 집에 백신을 노린 괴한들이 쳐들어옵니다.
Where is it? We don't have it. Bullshit! He works there. He gets it first. We don't have it. We have to wait.
Did they touch you? Did they look sick?
They had masks on, Ellis, and gloves.
Don't tell me that. Aubrey, we get the vaccine tomorrow.
You have to trust me, Ellis. They didn't touch me.
사기 행각이 들통난 에런은 결국 붙잡히게 됩니다.
For what? Tell me for what? Securities fraud, conspiracy, and most likely manslaughter.
그리고 도착한 백신들은 추첨을 통해서 사람들에게 나눠주게 되죠.
We may never know where this disease came from, but we do know that this vaccine is a result of the courage and perseverance of a remarkable few. We shall now begin the drawing. Gun. First MEV-1 vaccination are those people born on March 10th.
How do you call this fish in Chinese? This is you. You? This is beautiful. And
It's time. We have to run. He just landed.
Shinwan Cemetery, off the number 3 expressway. It's close to where you are now, in 15 minutes.
백신 때문에 잡혀 있었던 오란테스 박사도 풀려나게 되죠.
Are you okay?
where's that?
Your vaccine, the one you took was a placebo.
What?
The Chinese insist that there have been many abductions, not just here, in Russia or Mexico, all over. Government officials, scientists, or Westerners with great wealth.
Leonora, where are you going?
백신이 가짜라는 걸 알게 된 오란테스는 마을로 향합니다. 한편 앨런은 개나리로 번 돈으로 보석금을 내고 풀려나게 되죠.
Are we down here? Cheever and wife.
Congratulate Aubrey for me.
치버 박사는 자신의 몫인 백신을 청소부의 아들에게 사용합니다.
I can't give him the bracelet. At least you know he'll be safe.
발병 135일차. 당첨자들에게 백신이 보급됩니다. 그리고 미래를 대비하여 백신을 보존합니다. 미치는 조리에게 옷을 선물합니다. 출장을 다니며 찍었던 베스의 사진들을 보며 괴로워하는 미치. 그리고 조리에게 앤드류가 찾아오죠. 백신을 맞았다는 걸 확인시켜주는 앤드류. 영화는 이렇게 끝이 납니다. 그리고 이어지는 장면에서 원인이 밝혀집니다. 에임 엘더슨사에서 나무를 쓰러뜨리는 바람에 갈 곳을 잃은 박쥐들이 떠돌아다니다 바나나를 먹게 되고 근처에 돼지 축사로 향합니다. 그리고 거기서 바나나를 흘리게 되고 그것을 돼지가 주워 먹죠. 그 돼지는 팔려가게 되고 식당에서 주방장이 돼지의 입에 손을 집어넣습니다. 그리고 대충 손을 닦고 베스와 손을 잡습니다. 이렇게 해서 바이러스가 퍼지게 된 것이죠. 재밌게 보셨나요? 이 영화는 2011년에 개봉한 영화로 영화의 제목처럼 전염병에 관한 영화입니다. 이 영화는 배우들의 라인업이 굉장히 화려합니다. 베스 역의 기네스 펠트로, 미치 역의 맷 데이먼, 치버 역의 로렌스 피시번, 미어스 역의 케이트 윈슬렛, 앨런 역의 주드로, 오란테스 역의 마리옹 꼬띠아르까지 미국과 영국, 프랑스의 인기 배우들이 대거 출연을 했습니다. 신종 전염병 유행에 따른 인간의 공포와 사회적 혼란을 실감나게 그려낸 작품이며 같은 종류의 전염병 아포칼립스 작품 중에서도 과학적 고증과 현실 묘사가 매우 뛰어난 수작으로 꼽히고 있습니다. 현재의 상황을 예언한 듯한 이 영화를 처음부터 보시길 바라며 바이러스가 얼마나 위험한지 느끼셨으면 좋겠습니다. 지금까지 프릭무비였습니다.